This video is for all the teachers who still feel a twinge of guilt when using AI tools in their teaching practice. If this is you, you're not alone. It's called educator guilt. Educator guilt is the feeling of unease or discomfort teachers experience when leveraging artificial intelligence, often rooted in concerns about authenticity, fairness, or even the fear of being seen as cutting corners. It's an emotion that comes naturally to those deeply committed to their students. I totally understand this position, but in today's landscape of ever increasing demands being put on teachers, educator guilt is one of those things we need to address and overcome. Let's start with the context. Teachers are constantly being asked to do more with less, more differentiation, more administrative work, more innovation, yet there are still only 24 hours in a day. The integration of AI into education has opened the door to new opportunities, but also to doubt. I've heard many teachers ask, am I doing my students a disservice by using AI to streamline my work? Or is it even appropriate to use AI to give formative feedback? Or what does it say about me as a professional if I rely on a computer to do my job? Here's why that guilt exists and why it's entirely understandable for anyone who's ever worked in education. Teaching has always been a deeply personal profession. It's built on human connection, creativity, and care. Using AI can feel like a departure from those values, as if it threatens the authenticity of the work you're doing for your students. However, the reality is much different. AI isn't here to replace the human element of teaching, it's here to enhance it. Here's why overcoming this guilt is essential. The role of a teacher has evolved dramatically, and tools like AI are no longer just nice to have. These technologies can reduce burnout by automating repetitive tasks and give all of us more time to focus on what really matters. For teachers, that's building relationships with students, designing meaningful learning experiences, and growing as an educator. We need to move away from thinking of AI as a tool and start thinking of AI as a teammate. Here are two things I think can help everyone move away from feeling guilty about using AI. Number one, practice transparency. Share the why behind your AI use. Explain how AI is used to enhance your teaching. For example, you might tell your students, I used AI to generate these quiz questions so I could spend more time providing feedback on your project. Or I used AI to help create this discussion prompt because I wanted to make sure I was asking the best possible question. Number two, collaborate with colleagues in your building. Be open in team meetings or in your PLCs about how AI supports your work. Share these use cases and examples. Once we normalize using AI in our jobs, it's less likely others will feel guilty about it. Plus, the more teachers start to use AI in their classrooms, the better everyone will become at using it. So if you're feeling a little bit of educator guilt when using AI, let go of it. No other industry is asked to do what we're asked to do. And using AI to make ourselves more efficient or effective will only benefit our students in the long run. I hope this helps. I know many teachers have this guilt when using AI. Hopefully we can all start to move past it. Thanks for watching.